What's going on, YouTube? I just want to make this video to do a little exhaust video on my 2006 Dodge Charger RT. It has the 5.7 Hemi in it, as you guys can see. But yeah, let me go ahead and get a crank up for y'all. It's not a cold start, it's a warm start. I'll probably do a crank up, a flyby, a few revs, a light takeoff, a full throttle takeoff. You know, let y'all get a good idea of how the muffler deleter sound on the 06 Hemi. All right, let me go. Alright guys, that's it for the outside exhaust videos. Let me go ahead and get out of here. Got a car coming. And damn, them brakes are burning. Damn, Reese. That motherfucker wild. I guess I do a little inside POV drive for y'all. Y'all can hear how the car sounds. Wipe the windows down. Yeah, I need to go get some gas. Doing them little pulls and drain. engine light on. It ain't nothing serious. I'll get it taken care of soon. Pulls alright for 0657, you know, stock. You don't got nothing on it, no tune, no intake. All they got is a muffler delete. That's it. I'm gonna eventually start doing stuff to this car, like put some long tube headers on it, tune it. But I want to finish up my scat first before I start doing that. Finish up my scat. I do got some Scat Pack mufflers at the house. They're not the ones off my Scat Pack because I sold them. But my buddy, he had his, so I say, shoot, I'll just get them and put them on here. See how it sounds. Sure, I think it'll sound pretty good. Either I might put some long tubes or just get some Scat Pack shorties on it. It should sound almost like a Scat Pack now. Sound pretty dang good. Slow. He wind the windows back down. I'll crack them. I'll do one more little pull. We are in Mexico. I'm trying to Mexico. Dang, that was a hard one. Oh yeah, there's rock that stuff over there. I guess I could do a little pull now. This car don't like to downshift sometimes. I could downshift it myself. That also makes it louder. But I try not to do that in this car. I used to do it, but I try not to do it. One time I downshifted and it shot the coolant cap straight off. Coolant was everywhere off my motor, so I just try not to do that no more. But yeah, that makes a big difference when you drop it in gear. Like you drop this thing in second or first. Oh yeah, it really takes off. Third gear is just always following this face though. Muffler delete, I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty satisfied. I'm ready to put them Scat Pack mufflers on. I'm gonna put them on, take the resonators off. This car should be way louder. I'm gonna do a comparison video so y'all know. You hear the difference when I get that done. Yeah, I'm about to go get gas, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Y'all catch me next time. I should have a video like this coming up for my challenges soon. If I don't go ahead and make one and post it before I post this one, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll catch y'all.